So we are going on week 3 of being out of our apartment. Sienna just like sprung me right the fuck up. I never truly felt displacement and housing insecurity in the same way that I am feeling it now, and going for something you really give a fuck about. You know what I mean? Yes. What's up, y'all? It's your girl. Killer Girls, Ill Kills. Yeah, man, I gotta say my vlogging inspiration or consistency has just been off because of the housing situation that I'm in. You guys don't know if you didn't catch that in the last video. My current apartment that I live in with my roommate, who some of you see in my Black History Month video, and the most recent one, the Bates and Bay Queer Wave. That's my roommate, and we have been unfortunately displaced from our apartment. So what that means is, because it's under construction and the construction time keeps getting expanded, it went from like just 10 days to now it's another at least 3 weeks. So we are going on week 3 of being out of our apartment. Week 1 in this other place, which happens to be our old apartment since we checked out of our last Airbnb, where you guys will see in the video I haven't posted yet, a staycation Airbnb vlog. So yeah, week 3 outside of my apartment, week 3 being displaced. Just a little reflection on that. I never truly felt displacement and housing insecurity in the same way that I am feeling it now, and it's both showing me all that I am capable of and showing me how strong I am, how resilient I am, and also showing me how important like that stability and that security is, not just for me but for other collectives of people. Unhoused community has always been one that, aside from substance abuse and mental health advocacy, like the unhoused community has definitely been one that has been close to my heart, just because like it's everywhere and everybody deserves a roof over their head, clean water, heat or air conditioning depending on your climate, and like just the simple comforts of life. So sorry, the VTA is on strike, so right now a lot of people are honking. Good for them. I also honked. But yeah, human beings need comfort. They deserve shelter. They deserve safety. They deserve security. And when you are housing insecure, it is difficult to feel safe, and it is difficult to feel like you can't expand. Like for me, like I'm having a hard time making space for creativity. I wanted to like jam and play my flute and use my looper and all this other stuff the other day, and ended up just like messing around for like 30 minutes or so and then calling it quits because I was just like, I don't want to be here. In the particular space that we're in, which is our old apartment, I really am uncomfortable with, just because it's so small, and my cat passed away while we were staying there. So at the moment, like it's a little bit fresh still and a little too close for comfort to be coming back there. But we are on the apartment hunt. Gonna go look at another apartment Friday. Just looked at one on last Saturday and Monday, so yesterday. So we're working, we're moving, we're rolling with the punches, and hanging in there. All right, as promised, here is the shortest apartment tour you guys will ever seen in your entire life. This is where we used to live. I lived here for a year, maybe just over a year. Actually no, yeah, about a year. This is the hallway / kitchen, sink, and washing machine area. This room is where I stayed, but this was actually my roommate's room for the time being that we were here. And I guess I just decided to skip recording my room because it was just not that important. It's about a third or less of the size of the room you guys just saw. So very tiny, not even a technical room. It didn't have a door, so I had like a curtain, yeah, for the entirety of my stay there. And you know, I called it my little fairy hole. It was comfortable and uncomfortable at the same time. Not a whole lot of space, but it was good for if you wanted to feel like you were getting a snug hug at the end of every evening. Fast forward to me showing you just how much I can fit in my gym bag. Look at this. Alright, y'all know the drill. If you made it to the end of the video, you rock, you rock. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I know this video took a little bit longer to get out. As you heard, I am still on the move from place to place, going on 4 weeks now, 5 weeks by the time I post this. So I appreciate you guys for checking in, following the story. Just wanted to post a quick little update to let you guys know how things are going, how things are progressing, and to let you know that we're doing all right, you know? Here's me making a smoothie, getting ready to get on with my day. So you will catch more of that in the next video. I love you guys. Hope you are well and hope you are blessed. Take care. Catch you in the next one.